When making things with your loved one with dementia, especially in the kitchen, it's important to realize that your loved one may not be able to do an activity from start to finish by themselves. Doing the activity with them is beneficial because it helps to keep them engaged and safe. As a partner, you'll need to fill in the gaps where your loved one struggles. For instance, it may be difficult for a person with early to moderate dementia to understand what all of the ingredients are in a recipe. Helping to get the ingredients out of the cabinet and set them in a clutter-free workspace will help. Verbally cueing the person for the next ingredient is helpful. They may have difficulty focusing for long periods of time, so invite them to participate for shorter specific tasks, such as adding an egg to the recipe or stirring the cake batter. It's also important to focus on the process of being in the kitchen together, cooking or baking, rather than the end product. We've all had things come out of the oven that didn't quite taste right, haven't we? If your loved one is insistent on adding an ingredient that does not mix well with what you are making, take it in stride. Try your best not to argue, but try to direct them to something that would work better. If this doesn't work, you may just have to go with what they want and smile. Patience is key. While creating something in the kitchen, offer genuine praise, and when finished, you might say something such as, "Look what we did," or "Look what we made, isn't this delicious?"